Hello students, welcome back to our online classes. So today our topic is properties of rational numbers. So in the last class we completed properties of rational numbers for associative. Now we are doing for commutative property. Okay, now commutative property for addition. Okay. So take any two rational numbers. See here, take any two rational numbers 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Okay, everyone clear? Now here LCM denominators are different, so we have to do the LCM now. So LCM for 3 comma 5 is 15. Okay, 3 5 is 15 because the two are prime numbers. Okay, now do the cross multiplication. 2 into 5 plus 4 into 3 by 15. So next step, 2 5 is 10 plus 4 3 is 12 by 15. That is equals to 10 plus 12 22 by 15. So now change the order. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. I changed the order now. So now we have to find the LCM for 5 comma 3. 5 comma 3, that is also 15. Okay, now see here, cross multiply 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 by 15. So now we can do that. 4 3 is 12 plus 2 5 is 10 by 15. So that is equals to 22 by 15. Here also, here same, we got the same same sum. Okay, here 22 by 15, 22 by 15. So LHS equal to RHS. Then you can take any two rational numbers and then going to add them, then they both are satisfied. Okay, now what we can give that rational numbers, Q stands for rational numbers. Rational numbers follow commutative property under addition. Follow commutative property under addition. Okay, commutative property under addition. Everyone clear? Under addition. So now we can write in general for all a comma b, for all a comma b, where a comma b are rational numbers. For all a comma b belongs to Q, then a plus b is equals to b plus a. Everyone clear? A plus b is equals to b plus a. This is for only for commutative under addition. Okay, now we are moving to subtraction. So now commutative property for subtraction. Okay, so whether the subtraction is commutative for rational numbers or not, we are going to check here. Okay, now take any two rational numbers. Okay, take any two rational numbers. This is subtraction. So take any two rational numbers. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. So again same, but here symbol is changes, subtraction. Okay, now LCM for 3 comma 5. What is the LCM for 3 comma 5? That is 15. So now see here, cross multiply. 2 5 is a minus 4 3 is a by 15. So we can conclude that 2 5 is a 10 minus 4 3 is a 12 by 15. 10 minus 12, what is the answer? Minus 2 by 15. So next one, change the order. Okay, 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Okay, change the order. See here, now LCM for 5 comma 3 is 15. So now see here, 4 into 3 minus 2 into 5 by 5 into 3 15. Okay, here LCM is 15. So you can do now 4 3 is a 12 minus 10 by 15. So 12 minus 10, 2 by 15. So see the result of these two subtractions. Okay, the result is minus 2 by 5, result is 2 by 5. Both are equal? No, those are not equal. So one is in the negative manner, one is in the positive manner. So those are not equal. So what we can here, a minus b not equal to b minus a. Okay, both are not equal. Okay, now in general what we can conclude? Commutative property, rational numbers sorry, subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Subtraction. Now we are going to solve commutative property for multiplication. Okay. Now commutative property for multiplication. See, take any two rational numbers. 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. So any two rational numbers. So now we are going to multiply them. Okay. Now we are going to multiply them. See here. 2 into 5 by 3 into 4. Okay, everyone clear? Now 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12. So next one. Change the order of the numbers. 5 by 4 into 2 by 3. Then what we get? 5 into 2 by 4 into 3. So then what we got? 5 into 2, 10, 4 into 3, 12. So we got the same result or not? Yes, we got the same result. So then what we can conclude? Multiplication is commutative. Okay, multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Okay, multiplication is commutative for whole numbers. Sorry, for rational numbers. For rational numbers. So then in general what we can conclude? For all a comma b belongs to q rational numbers, then a into b is equals to b into a. Everyone clear? So this is our multiplication for commutative property. Now we are moving to division. Okay, just I am changing here division. So division for rational numbers. Okay, so now see here. Now take any two rational numbers and going to divide them. So it's very easy. So take any two rational numbers. Any two rational numbers. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 2. Okay. Now I am going to divide them. So see here. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 2. So this is a division order. Okay. Now see here. 2 by 3. Now I am writing this denominator as numerator. So interchange that 2 by 4. So 2 into 2 by 3 into 4. Okay, what we will get here? 2 2s are 4, 3 4s are 12. Okay, now change the order please. 4 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Now 4 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. So now 4 by 2 into 3 by 2. So what will get? 4 into 3, 12, 2 into 2, 4. See the results. Both the results are same or not? No, both the results are different. So what we can conclude here? Division is not commutative. Division is not commutative. Everyone clear? Not commutative for rational numbers. Okay. Now next one, we can conclude in general for all a comma b belongs to q rational numbers. So now a divided by b does not equals to b divided by a. Everyone clear? So this is our properties of rational numbers for commutative. Okay. So in the next class we are going to some more properties.